Welcome to WOW Decor, and thank you for being here today. In this video, we step into the encouraging and relatable journey of the would-be entrepreneur, someone who begins not with a fully equipped workshop or expensive machinery, but with a simple vision, a few basic hand tools, and a deep desire to create something meaningful. This story is about launching a mini craft business with minimal tools, proving that creativity, patience, and resourcefulness matter far more than having the perfect setup. With nothing more than a simple saw, a chisel, and sandpaper, raw pieces of wood slowly begin to transform into charming home decor, stylish wood vases, and thoughtful handmade accents that feel warm, personal, and full of character. This process is not rushed or intimidating. It is lighthearted, honest, and deeply satisfying, showing that anyone with curiosity and dedication can turn raw material into profitable art. The journey begins at the most humble point, standing in front of a small pile of wood and a handful of tools, realizing that limitations are not obstacles but creative guides. A simple saw becomes the starting point, cutting wood into manageable shapes and sizes, each cut carrying intention and possibility. The sound of wood meeting blade, slow and steady, reminds us that crafting does not need speed to be successful. It needs care. With each cut, the wood starts to reveal its potential, shifting from an ordinary block into the early form of a decor piece. For a budding artisan, this moment is powerful because it proves that progress does not require perfection, only willingness to begin. As the process continues, the chisel comes into play, carving gentle curves, hollow spaces, and subtle details that give the wood personality. This stage feels almost like a conversation between the maker and the material, where the artisan responds to the grain, the knots, and the natural shape of the wood rather than forcing it into something artificial. This approach is especially important for creating items like stylish wood vases, where form, balance, and texture matter just as much as function. The chisel allows small, thoughtful changes that slowly turn a rough shape into something elegant and expressive. Viewers watching this process can feel the calm focus and growing confidence that comes from learning by doing. Sandpaper, often overlooked, becomes one of the most important tools in this journey. With patience and repetition, rough edges soften, surfaces become smooth, and the true beauty of the wood begins to appear. Sanding is where transformation becomes visible, where imperfections blend into character, and where the piece starts to feel finished. This stage also highlights an important lesson for anyone considering a mini craft business. Quality comes from time and attention, not expensive equipment. A carefully sanded piece feels good in the hands, looks refined, and reflects pride in craftsmanship, all of which matter deeply to customers who value handmade decor. Throughout this process, the joy of making remains at the center. There is a quiet happiness in watching something take shape under your hands, especially when it started as raw, unremarkable material. This joy is contagious, and it's something viewers can feel even in a faceless video format. The focus stays on the hands, the tools, the wood, and the transformation, allowing the craft itself to tell the story. This kind of content resonates strongly with audiences who enjoy calm, satisfying visuals and authentic creative journeys rather than loud presentation or pressure. As the artisan creates more pieces, a realization begins to form. These handmade items are not just personal projects, but products with real value. Small wooden decor items, especially stylish wood vases and simple home accents, fit perfectly into modern homes that appreciate natural materials and thoughtful design. Each finished piece carries uniqueness that mass-produced decor cannot replicate. This uniqueness becomes a strength when turning craft into income. Customers are drawn to the story, the handmade quality, and the sense that no two pieces are exactly alike. Launching a mini craft business with minimal tools also teaches resilience and adaptability. Without advanced machinery, the artisan learns to design within realistic limits, choosing shapes and styles that can be produced consistently by hand. This approach naturally leads to cleaner designs, simpler forms, and a strong focus on finish and detail. These qualities align perfectly with current decor trends that favor minimalism, warmth, and authenticity. Instead of feeling restricted, the artisan feels empowered, discovering that simplicity often leads to stronger, more sellable designs. The transition from hobby to micro-business happens gradually and naturally. Finished pieces are styled thoughtfully, photographed in soft light, and presented as part of a lifestyle rather than just objects. A wood vase placed on a shelf, table, or windowsill instantly tells a story of calm living and handmade beauty. This visual storytelling is especially powerful for online platforms, where first impressions matter. By sharing the making process alongside the final result, the artisan builds trust and connection with potential buyers, showing that the value of the piece lies not only in how it looks, but in how it was made. One of the most encouraging aspects of this journey is how accessible it is. Viewers watching realize that they do not need permission, perfection, or expensive tools to start creating. They see that learning happens through practice, mistakes, and small improvements over time. Each project builds confidence, and each finished piece reinforces the belief that creating with your hands can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding. This message is especially important for those who feel overwhelmed by the idea of starting a business or sharing their work with others. The lighthearted tone of the process keeps everything approachable and enjoyable. There is no pressure to be an expert, no fear of imperfections, and no rush to achieve success overnight. Instead, the focus stays on enjoying the craft, celebrating progress, and appreciating the quiet satisfaction that comes from making something real. This mindset not only makes the journey more sustainable, but also more inspiring for viewers who are looking for creativity without stress. As the video nears its end, the completed wooden decor pieces stand as proof of what is possible with minimal tools and a clear vision. Each piece reflects care, patience, and creativity, showing that a mini craft business can grow from the simplest beginnings. The transformation from raw wood to stylish decor mirrors the transformation of the maker, from beginner to confident artisan, and from hobbyist to would-be entrepreneur. If you are enjoying today's content on WOW Decor, especially these stylish wood vase ideas and home decor creations, your support truly means so much. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps this faceless channel grow and allows more people to discover the joy of home decor and woodcraft creating ideas. The story of the would-be entrepreneur is a reminder that creativity does not wait for perfect conditions. It begins wherever you are, with whatever tools you have, and grows through curiosity, effort, and belief in your own potential. By transforming raw material into beautiful, sellable art with minimal tools, this journey proves that small beginnings can lead to meaningful results. Thank you for spending this creative time with WOW Decor. Stay inspired, keep creating, and remember that even the simplest tools can build something truly special.